Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low-mileage 2015 Nissan Juke SV all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8207A. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. White pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Ample cargo room in the rear. Body is free of dents or dings. This SV has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 18,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And as of course with the backup camera displays. Automatic temperature control, as well as adjustable drive modes. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Cup holders in the center. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Juke has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 188 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Juke, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.